the special train that copies any sound. It's the echo-maniacal, super reliable sound like all-day Audiomatic Express. It can move like a cow. It can go moo, moo, moo. The trolley train can do it. Hey, how about you? Can you sound like a circus audio? The trolley train can. How about you? Can you go boo, boo, boo? Say, how about yours? The whistling breeze of a flying trapeze. Is there such a thing as an upside down sound? Listen to this. Goes dappy when sounding all trafficy. How about you? Can you go when the trolley train goes rolling past? We know how it sounds to go really fast with a swish, swoosh, blast. Now don't you be last. Make the sound of fast. Swish, swoosh, blast. Oh, the mighty trolley train makes a loud hullabaloo. It's the sound of fun! Can you make it too? Wee! Woo! Like a beach ball, the trolley train is going boing, 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 boing. Boom, boom! The trolley train is a wonder! Boom, boom! Hear the waves thunder! Oh, listen to this! What an earful of luck! We can hear the sound of old McBean's truck. Bang, bong, chug. Can you make that sound too?
Bang, bong, chug, bang, bong, chug.
And a sneak farewell to toodaloo, toodaloo. Time for the trolley train to say toodaloo now. How about you?
Toodaloo, toodaloo.
So goodbye, Sneeches. Goodbye all around. We won't forget all those wonderful sounds.
Yeah,